Guys, I found this video. Like, it's called bread for some reason, I guess. But, like, I have a Morse code. So, like, you have it right here. Clipboard. Just for you guys to solve the mystery. I'll give you guys a hint and then I'll solve it. So, translate to I am BG. That's probably a mistake. Google, can you tell me what to say? What the? Now that I can fix that. I am a. Hold on. Here's the video I was trying to copy. Look. So look. The Morse code right there. You see that one dot? I am dead. Bro, he's not dead. What is this? It's a freaking bread. I'm trying to solve this mystery. Bruh. Okay. I'm gonna try to like fix that. It really have the a dot. Look, that's it. Look. I think I just ruined it. I don't need that. Okay, guys, here's a trick. Get this, and then look. Select all. Copy. Then like. Okay, I'm gonna fix that into this. Yeah, this is gonna make me go insane. Okay. Sorry guys, that was just a fly. Here. This Google's Translate should know what to say. Because if it don't, it's weird. Okay guys? So like detect language.
dot dot slash dot dash 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 slash dash dot dash dash dot katakana middle dot.
The heck? Okay, I'm gonna take images. Like 10. Okay. Hopefully Gogo knows what this is. Okay. Yep, I am doing the whole thing. Google better know what this is. Yep, I am gonna solve this mystery. This is what y'all guys all had to do. You guys are this stupid. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Okay, guys. Then now we have to edit all the photos into only pointing and tricking it into thinking. This is giving me 21 memories. What the heck am I? Okay, there it is. Wow, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. No. What the heck? This map is real. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let's do this all together, guys. And I will be solving this mystery. Do not steal. Do not quickly search this thing up and try to steal because I'm the one who's solving this mystery all by myself. No help by anyone. Sadly. So y'all guys, if I find the mystery, y'all guys better be nice about this. You guys freaking better be nice. Now I'm going to but this I already know what this says, but they talking about some this is a Morse code or something. Okay. Oh my freaking gosh. Okay, what the heck am I doing? Okay. Later, I will go to Google and see what it says because this YouTuber think we never know. We will know because y'all guys better credit me. You guys better. You guys better credit me because you're lucky that I am the one that is helping you. Do 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 do. I'm getting too excited right now, guys, because I have a extremely bad feeling that this mystery will fail. I have a bad feeling, extremely bad feeling. Yes, guys, this is the last one, guys, and then after we are done with this hell. After we're gonna play some music if we solve this mystery. Then we're gonna be dancing and okay, guys, we got all of it. I'm going to go to Google. Yeah. Okay. Whatever. Get out of here. I lost my sister's leg. Okay, guys. Google, read this Morse code carefully. Okay, guys, I got it. Got this one. My heart is empty. I think that person guessed it. Word. My heart is empty. I'm so sorry for the terror. There, you see, guys? I'm sorry for the terror. Yeah, guys, this is cursed. It always gonna be a stupid fly. Whatever. Whatever, guys. Hold on. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Let's see now. I got all of it. Like look. Now, you see this? Now let's do it on YouTube. You guys better. It's too late, guys. Mwahaha. I'm already doing it. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, I already did it. It's too late, guys. No. Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys.